So when it comes down to figuring out what kind of billing approach is better, whether it is a flat fee or whether it's hourly or whether it's some type of alternative or a combination of hourly, flat fee, or some other arrangement or value based, one of the big questions for family law firms is hourly billing still the best model for family law firms? And to be honest with you, you're going to get a typical lawyer answer. It depends. Now, the reason why I say it depends is because you really have to look at how the billing works and the types of cases that you support. For example, if you're a law firm who mainly focuses on contested divorces, which means they're usually pretty unpredictable. Like you have no idea like how much time it's going to take, have no idea how long it's going to be. Then I would probably say is that, going with a hourly model for your contested divorces or heavy litigation divorces is probably the best option because there is no way for you to really protect yourself if it truly is unpredictable. Now, on the other hand, if you end up doing casework that does seem to be a little bit more predictable, for example, if you're helping develop, let's say, surrogacy agreements, well, you can kind of predict what that's going to be and you can kind of predict. So let's say, on the other hand, if you're doing casework that is a little bit more predictable, like developing surrogacy agreements or helping people navigate the adoption process, when it comes down to that, they can be a little bit more predictable. So, coming up with some type of flat fee arrangement after you've kind of understood, like it typically takes this many steps, it typically takes this long, you can probably come up with a flat fee price that is fair and profitable for the firm. And if you're starting to use things like AI to help you in the process, or maybe you're using your staff more strategically, like using the paralegals or the legal assistants to do a little bit more of the legwork. So it's less time that the lead attorney has to be driving some of the details of the case. Then you could probably put your firm in a position where it would be more profitable for you to bill on a flat fee basis as opposed to using hourly. So when it comes down to figuring out what kind of billing approach is better, whether it is a flat fee or whether it's hourly or whether it's some type of alternative or a combination of hourly, flat fee, or some other arrangement or value based, it really depends on the types of cases that you are supporting. If you are supporting cases that have a very unpredictable life cycle, hourly tends to protect your firm from a financial downside. And then if you're working on cases that are a little bit more predictable, then leaning more towards a set or a flat fee could be a huge upside for you and the client. Hey, thanks for tuning into the Family Law Firm Finance Show. At the end of the day, we make finance less complicated so you can build a more profitable law firm. If this was helpful for you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and follow us for more great content.